AZDOME M550 Pro 4K Dash Cam, ultimate protection for every drive. Are you looking for a reliable dash cam that records everything on the road with crystal clear quality? The AZDOME M550 Pro 4K Dash Cam is designed to give you complete 360 degrees protection, advanced technology, and peace of mind every time you drive. Whether you're commuting daily, driving long distances, or working as a rideshare driver, this powerful dash camera ensures every moment is captured in stunning detail. Ultra-clear 4K plus 2.5K triple-channel recording. The AZDOME M550 Pro supports 2-channel and 3-channel recording, allowing you to monitor multiple angles simultaneously. Front camera, Ultra HD 4K resolution. Rear camera, high-definition 2.5K. Interior camera, perfect for taxis, rideshare, or family trips. This triple-channel system ensures nothing is missed, front, rear, or inside the car. Advanced IR night vision. Driving at night is no problem with the built-in infrared night vision camera. The interior camera automatically activates IR LEDs, delivering clear footage even in complete darkness, making it ideal for Uber, Grab, taxi, and night driving. Super fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. Forget slow transfers. The 5.8 GHz high-speed Wi-Fi lets you instantly view videos on your smartphone. Download footage quickly. Share clips directly to social media or insurance providers. Control everything easily through the AZDOME mobile app. Built-in GPS tracking. The integrated GPS module records vehicle speed, driving route, location data. This information is extremely useful for insurance claims, accident evidence, and trip tracking. Large 3.19-inch IPS display. The dash cam features a 3.19-inch IPS screen that offers bright, sharp display. Easy menu navigation. Quick playback of recorded footage. You can check recordings directly on the device without needing your phone. 24-hour parking monitoring. Protect your car even when you're away. With 24-hour parking mode, the dash cam automatically records when it detects motion, impact or collision. This feature helps capture hit-and-run incidents or suspicious activity around your vehicle. Smart safety features. The AZDOME M550 Pro includes multiple intelligent functions: loop recording, G-sensor emergency lock, motion detection, wide-angle coverage, heat-resistant design, easy installation. All your important footage is automatically protected from being overwritten. Why choose the AZDOME M550 Pro? True 4K front recording. Triple channel coverage, front plus rear plus interior. Infrared night vision for cabin recording. High-speed 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. Built-in GPS tracking. 24H parking protection. This dash cam is the perfect driving companion for safety, security, and evidence on the road. Upgrade your car with the AZDOME M550 Pro today and drive with total confidence. Order now at product link in the video description. Click the link in the video description below to check it out and grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel, Best Products 365, for more awesome tech reviews and smart shopping tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.